Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn about product discount. Suppose we have a company which sells different types of shirts, t-shirts, jeans and ladies tops and many more things. And this company has decided to offer a sale and every every product has got 25% discounts. So we have entered the data here in this worksheet and we need to calculate what will be the price after the 25% discount. So we have shirt here and the price is the current price is 15.99 US dollar and t-shirt is 12.5 US dollar, jeans is 29.99 US dollar and ladies top is 19.45. Now, you want to know that what will be the price after 25% discount. So for that, we have to first enter the discount offered and that is minus 25%. If it is 15%, then you just write 15%, 10%, then you just write minus 10% like this. So here we have decided to keep 25% discount. So we have written here to minus 25% in the cell C1. Okay. So after that, select the cells from C3 to C6 and then go to the formula bar and then give equal sign and then refer to this cell which is B3, the product price, the current price before the discount, okay, for the shirt which is 15.99. So just select this and then give a plus and then start your bracket, then select the B3 cell again and it is going to be multiplied by dollar C dollar 1. So dollar C dollar 1 is the cell where we have written the amount of discount given, that is minus 25%. Okay, then give control enter. It will give the value of all the products available and their new price after after 25% discount. So in this way you can practice with minus 15 or minus 20 or minus 10% discount. So I hope you will practice with your new products, or you can do it for if you have any your own shop or anything. So this is very useful formula for calculating how much will be the price, and you can make your new price tags for your products. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.